Mike. Sorry guys, I am so sorry. I've been just talking to myself. Anyways, without going into further details, Milton, Andreas, what is up? Cookie in the house. Gringo, how's it going? Green Trump Red. Stephen Liu. Spoiled Traits. Wow, we got a lot of new new names here. Did you hear about Trump say? No, I haven't heard anything what Trump said. I know the market dumped against me and I got smoked today, but Hero, hey Hero, great to see you here. Thank you so much for being here. Thanks for being a member too. Adam B, Zozo, Kelly Kaufman, what up? Doll Betty. We are in a war with China, he said. We're in a war with China today. Really? Is that really gonna matter too much? Maybe we get down. What did Trump say? What the market did not drop today? I was already up $1,000 and shut it down. Kind of. Well, I think you're definitely done a great job shutting down your computer after making $1,000. I think that's a good job. Suppose I think we are bearish after that. Well, I haven't heard any news about Trump saying anything about. I haven't heard anything he said today. I'm not sure, guys. I've got a lot of accounts that I hit my DLL, and it's kind of like in that survival mode. So I'm gonna try and really try to call back up again today. I may fail during that process. I don't know, but. Bro, you was down about $11,000 this morning and middle back. Oh my god. Adam B, yeah, with this sort of a price action you're getting, you can easily either lose 10k or make 10k. Either one of the two. That's it. It was a wild day, man. I don't know. I don't even know what I was doing. I definitely did not expect. I think the biggest problem is I wasn't prepared. A lot of the things that happened in this market today came a bit as a surprise to me. So, and then I was obviously very actively trading as well. So I kind of got chewed during that process, unfortunately. Does anybody know how to split the chart here on Project X? I'm trying to have two charts open at the same time. I don't know how to do that right now. If anybody knows how to do that, can somebody let me know? I really appreciate it, guys. Under your favorite tool, oh, let's see, where's your favorite tool? Click on the square next to the gear on the right corner. Look in the Discord main chat. Oh yeah, let me just take a look at the Discord, guys. This one here. No, it doesn't look like it's this. Oop. What the hell is this? Oh, there we go. There we go, guys. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, there we go. Thank you. Yeah, I've got it, brother. Thank you so much, man. You guys are the best. I wonder how to freaking move this bad boy. Oh my god, I hate this. Enable position bracket enabled. Alright, so this is NQ right now. This is NQ. And let's try to make some good trades here, guys, today. I definitely need some good trades. Oh, you can't move that? Okay, well, that's fine. All right, we got 1 more minute, guys. I'm gonna trade a lot of accounts with my DLL that I hit last night and this morning as well. So let's see how it goes. Everybody, good luck if you guys are trading. I drew all my resistance and channel support levels as well on my left hand side. That's the 30 minutes chart, and I've got here. This is the 5 minutes chart right now I'm at. So we'll see, guys. All right. I try to go long, but let's just wait. I wonder what the Trump news is all about. I haven't heard that before. I haven't heard that before. I don't know what that news is all about, guys. Does anybody know what Trump just said about the war? Is that true? You want to... Yeah, I mean, that's the thing, right? I haven't heard that before. So I'm on a 5 minutes chart now. Let's just try to move that to 1 minute. I'm gonna do 1 minute chart. Yeah, this market's not gonna do anything right today. It does look like this market's gonna sketchy, not do anything, to be honest. Maybe trade gold. I'm willing to take a stab at the gold, by the way, guys. It's let's take a look at the gold, guys. Maybe the gold trade is better. Let's try to step in with one mini. Sorry, one mini contract. I wanna try and scalp this market. Wow, we are already at 42,000. We're already at 42,030. Yeah, I have no idea what this gold is better, guys. 1 second. I'm also at the wrong contract. Wow, look at this volatility, guys. Holy. Let's try to... I'm gonna try and long. And I also am gonna place my hard stop as well. Yeah, gold is moving. Probably am better off try to trade gold, but gold is at all-time new high as well right now. Right, it's at all-time high, guys. I'll try to go long on a well, add to my position on a pullback here if I can. Man, look at this thing. It's like moving 1 point right now. Let's see if I can get some luck out of this trade. Looking, I don't know. I have no idea what this gold is gonna do. We are at all-time high, I guess, right? This gold. This gold is oh my god, look at that, guys. What a I'm gonna try and be good at gold today, guys. Let's try to trade gold. I know how sucky I am trading gold, but I want to try my level best. I think Asian market right now, the NQ is not really doing anything, so might as well try to trade gold. Dude 45, man. What is up, man? Dude 45, how's it going? I'm looking for about on all of my trades, I'm looking for like $400 in profits if I can across the board, because these are all DLL accounts that hit my DLL, and I've got to find a way to call it back up again with a small gain, right? So I don't really have a lot of drawdown. I only have like $600 to $800, right, on each of these accounts. $5 points minimum. Oh, we'll give it a shot, guys. I'm gonna trade gold. We're at the all-time high. Oh man, I get so many emails from Tick Trader, man, with their offers. I'm getting tired of it, you know, to be honest. I may have to start. I've gotta maybe put them on a spam mode. Like they send it every day, like I think couple every day. Getting very annoying, to be honest. I mean, it's got nothing to do with how good or how bad they are, right? It doesn't matter. It's just saying. It's like I haven't come across any firm who does that, right? Just so many freaking you know, ad emails. Crazy. What is up, Monica? Spoiled Trades. What up, man? Lone Milts. Raymond. Guys, how was your day, everybody? Did you guys kill it today? You guys killed it, and I got killed. Wow, nice. I got killed today. I amazingly got killed, and I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to think about it. I don't want to do anything with this morning. All right, guys. The gold getting a little pullback here. A little bit of a hesitation to create all-time new high. Why? We all know the reason why, guys. Because Stock Tiger is long now. The answer is pretty obvious. Yeah, so let me just try to look for a small gains each of these trades that I'm going to be getting into. Yeah, I mean, maybe I'm kind of thinking I should trade all these accounts all at the same time, to be honest, but too risky. I like to go one at a time. I'm gonna survival mode with a lot of this Tradify accounts. At least luckily I didn't lose these accounts, right? And that's good. D, what up, man? Let's trade better in Asia. Oh man, D. Yeah, I wish. My hands are shaking. What is up, Nima? Guess he can't stay away from gold. Maybe. Well, I can. Blue 30, Jamin, really? Tell me you blew 30 evals, which I'm gonna feel a lot better. And those $16 evals, I don't know, maybe Billinox. Yeah, well, Billinox is not 30, 16 bucks. Apex only in that too. Wells chart. I don't know if you're trading Wells chart, but anything beyond that, it's like, oh, it's not good. Jamin, what happened there? Yeah, I think it's just the evals, $16 evals, you know, that everyone. Oh, what was that? Guys, what was that? 1 second. I have no idea, man. Is this gold? What the hell is that? Oh my god, guys. Yeah, I think this account's gonna blow, and I've only got $300 now. Very surprisingly. Incredible. Wow, what was that, man? I think this account's gonna blow if we get another dumpage here, which is fine. Do we get a bounce off this level now? Holy guys, that was a pretty scary dump. That was like 3 points dump there, and blink of an eye, it went pretty quick. You know, it's like it stopped me out actually. It stopped me out. I had a stop there, so it kind of stopped me out there. Well, yeah, pretty much. If it dumps, this could end up stopping me out as well right here. If you flush and bounce, wow, it looks crazy, guys. I'm gonna put a tighter stop just in case it flushes down. I don't want to get I don't want to end up blowing the whole entire account. Wow, that's a pretty nasty dump. It looks like it wants to dump though, right? Like I don't see a bounce in this right now. Look at that wick. Pretty bearish wick we just got. Wow, look at this, guys. 4 2 2 1. I guess I'm never gonna do well with gold. I guess that's what it is. Maybe this is my destiny with gold, I guess. I just thought, you know, the gold is gonna get a better move, so I thought I should just trade gold because I don't want to wait all day on NQ. So it's a slow grind to the downside, guys. I think it's gonna push it down. Wow. Well, this volatility we're getting right now in gold is pretty close to what we get in NQ in the morning. All right, I got stopped out there. That's pretty, wow. I don't know. Yeah, what is this, guys? I only have 170 bucks. Let's try something else. Damn it. Are we gonna push it back up again? Should I add some more here? I really like to. Oh, you can't have stops on gold. Well, what if it dumps against me? I mean, well, I'll have my stop here. Right at the initial low. Well,
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
yeah, it looks like this is gonna go.
Order filled.
My God. Oh.
Order filled.
All right, guys. I'll try to take. I don't know.
Order filled.
All right, guys. Let's see.
Order filled.
All right, there we go. Got filled.
Order filled.
Wow, look at this bounce, guys. All right, we'll try to short on a bounce. Let's see how far it's gonna go. Yeah, I'm shorting gold right now. Eddie, what is up, man? Smokey, Lauren, Mady, MLD, Alan V, Neo, Pre-Neo X in the house, Perfect Play. What is going on? Ray, Janek, Armando, Jamie, you've been tilting badly since Friday. Yeah, it's yeah, it's not an easy market after all, I guess. Inky's got better price action, really. I guess I'm on the wrong instrument again. But that's a nice, beautiful V-shaped bounce, I guess, right? In gold.
Order filled.
Let's see, guys. We got a it almost kind of feels like we got a V-shaped bounce in gold, which obviously gives what a strong bounce there, guys. That's probably the one of the bigger bounce we actually witnessed today, including this morning. Way better than this price action this morning. This whole move down, we actually got everything back. Next morning is better than this morning's price action, guys. Take a look, man. This is a huge move up and down. Oh my god. Shit. Yeah, all I can do is place my stop at the very top here. The initial high, all-time high, I guess. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Not a good I'm getting shaken out. So of course we have the top here. I wonder if we are gonna be able to break out, because we could potentially do that, because we had a chance to bring it down, but of course this market could not do that, right? So we had a big pullback, and we had a chance of a continuation flush down, but instead we got a big V-shaped bounce. I don't know what the gold usually does in this kind of a situation. I don't think this technical is gonna look any different than NQ. This obviously this kind of looks like a descending wedge, right? And then break out, right? Unless we break it down now, which it's going to be hard to say if they are ready to do that. So far we had a nice beautiful reversal bounce, man. That's a pretty crazy bounce, man. We actually got, that's like 15 points bounce. Oh, actually more than that, because we actually hit 14 and we got it up to 27. That's like 14 points. Yeah, that's right, 14 points. Let's see. Who knows what this market's gonna do? You see, stuff that's been going on right now in this market, it's just been incredibly surprising. Very volatile as well. Big swings. So it's just not been easy to trade. So we'll see, guys. Look, I mean, we are getting a pullback here, which obviously I wasn't expecting this pullback here. Let's see if we can actually hold now. Thank you guys for smacking the like, everybody. Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu. Looks bouncy, right? I may want to just stay away from this gold, I guess. I don't know. Well, let's take a look at the NQ. Well, NQ's price action is pretty clean. I kind of like what I see in NQ, to be honest. Let's just go back to GC. I might try to exit my trading in GC, I guess. Let's just maybe bring it down. Let's try to maybe place my limit orders here, right? Place my limit orders. And then see if we can actually get some kind of a pullback here down again. If not, then I guess I'm going to get stopped out. That's a lot of risk. I'm just going to get rid of my stop here. I don't even know if that really matters at this point. Or maybe $300. Well, not forget that, yeah. Instead, I'm just going to put a tighter TP. So if you get a pullback here down, then I have a chance of getting something out of this trade. Okay, so we'll move back to NQ, guys. I think NQ is probably doing a better job for now. Let's see if we can actually get a break out of this level now on this. Gold is gonna hit all-time new high. Oh, where's my goal right now? Let's take a look and see. Well, it's getting a little pullback here. Is my payout gonna change? My payout for the month, it is going to change. Yeah, I've got to do a little bit of adjustments. Unfortunately, yeah, a little bit of adjustments, but still, I mean, probably bring it down to like 30K. 30K is definitely still doable. Yeah. Oh my god, look at this gold. I think this gold requires a bit of a patience. I think that's what it is. I kind of noticed that you need a little more patience trading gold. And obviously you guys all obviously told me to downsize the contract on gold, but that is right. I mean, downsize the contract, and also I think you got to be a little more patient in trading gold. But yeah, I mean, that doesn't change the fact that I don't like gold. I mean, gold is definitely not something that I want to trade, but I thought we have a better price action in gold today, and you know, I thought I can scalp this bad boy, but even then I can't even scalp, man. Look at me, man. Look at this. I'm down like 4223. Short 4 contracts and I can't even get this thing going. Looks like we're gonna squeeze out of this area now. This squeeze out of this pivot. Incredible, guys. Incredible. We could and just get out of this zone. Maybe I should try it one more. I don't know. Let's still one more, guys. I don't know if I have a chance of locking out some gains. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that. It doesn't look like it wants to pull back though. I think it's a breakout in my opinion. I don't know. We'll try.
Order fill. Order fill. Order fill. Order fill. Order fill.
We'll give it a shot, guys. We'll give it a shot. I mean, nothing much I can do other than just give it a shot. Hey, look, man, it's not even gonna give me a little pullback. I need. Fuck, look at that. Incredible, guys. Look at that. Wow. It's gonna rip and it's gonna go. Woo! Look at that. I knew it. Yeah. Oh, by the way, this is Eval. Yeah, Eval hit DLL. I'm just trading an account that I hit DLL. I think this is gonna go right now. I've got $2 more $100 in this, and Capito. This is what I was kind of afraid of. I'll break out of this little channel. We'll see. It's a big level now. Let's see, guys. Right here. Right, so we got here and here. Oh man, look at this bounce, guys. V-shaped bounce. I mean, incredible. I don't even know what this hell. This is probably the last trade now for gold today. Today, last trade to trade gold. Oh my god. Fuck, gold. Never disappointing gold, guys. Yeah, just can't get anything right with this gold. Not that I got anything right with NQ as well, but I mean, Everybody, welcome back, guys. JJ in the house. Junior Chimfin, are you in USA? I'm in Canada. James, what up, man? Roa Trades, how's it going, brother? Yeah, your problem is Goldie size. Yeah, that's true. Famous clip. Lawrence, that account is dead. Hell major support. Charizard, what up, man? Maybe your trading status not for gold. 7 Money Bago. Roa Trades. Starts Network, what up, man? 2 points, it's going to the moon. Paulo Santos, stick to what you know. Psychic Trader looking to short gold again. Avendano, what up, man, guys? Thanks for being here today. Thank you, guys. What up, Bailey in the house, man? Monica. Yeah, I'm little exhausted today. Yeah, for sure. A little exhausted. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah. I need to have a lot of Red Bull tonight for sure. What is up, Coach Fred, man? How's it going? How's your day go? I'm assuming you had a great day, Coach Fred. Good stuff. Aeromech, what up, man? Famous clip. Which province? Alberta. Province of Alberta, the biggest and the largest. The biggest mountain. The biggest mosquitoes. Biggest everything, guys. The trucks are the biggest. Show gold. Solid day. I knew it, man. Good stuff, man. Been trading micros more and more. Nice, Coach Fred. Yeah, I could. Thinking about it right now, I kind of feel like I've done a better job trading more micros. But at the same time, I also did not get as much payouts, though. That's another kind of a give and take, I guess, right? But it never hurts to trade micros. I mean, I definitely ended up losing a lot less accounts trading micros. So, Neo, what up, man? Shorting gold is against you. Neo. Oh, the Big Macs bigger? Well, I think the Big Macs are pretty much the same. Everything else other than food is bigger. Solid day. You go. I don't know. I'm still in gold. Yeah, I'm still in gold. I'm stuck. This account's about to get blown, which kind of sucks, but nothing much I can do to stop this goal to give me a little pullback, right? The goal wants to go somewhere else. That's the stock tiger is bigger. Yeah, the goal's getting a bounce. But what was that pullback all about, guys? Was that pullback just to shake me out? This almost kind of feels the same as the NQ, right? All these pullback here. Like this is obviously what happened to NQ today. I don't know. We are breaking out to all-time high. It's got this big swings, right? It moves in one direction and it's like a big dump and it's like this. How do you survive in these trades, guys? All of these, how do you survive here? Right? That's like 20 points. Yeah, I don't know, man. I've got a little bit of a mental breakdown right now, to be honest, after everything that just happened this morning. And on top of that, the gold isn't making things any better either, so we are getting a pullback in NQ.
Order rejected.
No, not this. It's gonna go. I don't have a lot of drawdown. How did everybody do today, guys? Don't even think about going long, Tiger. D45, how was your day? Let's take a look at the Discord chat, guys. I wanna see how did everybody do. I wonder if everybody had a great day. Technic Trader spook a wheel. Spin the wheel. Guys, take advantage of that if you guys want Technic Trader account for free. Well, Knowledge, man. Knowledge heard me say, what up, Knowledge? How's it going? Michelle, how did your day go? Bowser, man, you killed it. You the man, Bowser. Woo, baby, look at that. Okay, guys, today is the day I'm just gonna talk about everybody else instead of talking about how bad I was this morning. Bowser, man, look at this Bowser. Holy smokes, man. Wow. Looks like you only need one more day. Wow, what a great trade. Nice stuff, man. Good stuff. I like that. Another one here too. I got a new YouTube. I just subscribed to your channel. Did you see it? My old email was deleted. I got a new YouTube. Just subscribe to your channel. I have no idea. What was your name on YouTube? Wow, look at this, guys. Kev Low, first ever payout with funding ticks. Very fast from requesting to processing deposit USDD in your crypto address. Definitely one of my favorites. Good stuff, man. I think, you know, it's like, if you just really think about it, it's no brainer. The only problem with them is they only allow you 6 accounts. So let's say if you end up blowing 3, then you're gonna have to start everything all over again, which is kind of like, I don't know. That's the only catch. I wish they allow you to like back it up with more evals. I mean, what's the problem? It kind of helps them, right? It kind of helps them. The more accounts we load in, and the better for them. So what's the problem? Why can't, I don't get it, you know what I mean? Like, why can't they allow us to get like 30 accounts and just keep rotating our funded accounts every time we blow one? Interesting. Bobo Willie trades as well, banking from Bulanox, $1,000, man. That's great, brother. Good job, good job. Let's see anybody else. Wow, here we go, guys. This is the day we had a celebration, and guess what happens to the very next day? You kind of get hurt pretty hard. Celebration every time, every day, every time. A day after celebration, we have a bit of a roller coaster. Without going into too much details, so but thank you so much, guys, for all your oh, North Korea, what the hell, man? Come on, you can't be doing that to me. What the hell is North Korea now? Damn it. North Korean flag. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right, great, man. Great to see all of you do really well today. Let's go back to where's my account? Oh yeah, I did not get filled. Lifetime ban. I don't even think you can trade. Does any of these firms actually allow you to trade in North Korea? Let me ask ChatGPT. Does any prop firm allow to trade in North Korea? All right, guys. Does anybody? All right. So the ChatGPT says I could not find any reliable information showing that legitimate proprietary trading firm allows clients from North Korea. In fact, most prop firms I checked have North Korea as amongst their restricted countries. Yeah, see? Oh my god, guys, we gotta pull back here down. Incredible, guys. You gotta be careful. Well, look at this dumpage. Are we actually? Oh my god, this market is so volatile. Asia market is no longer chop chop chop. We are getting that volatility in Asia as well now, which is great. But I mean, great if I'm doing okay, but I keep getting destroyed by the market lately. So if you're in a live account, is there maximum withdrawal limit? I'm not sure. I haven't been into a live account yet, and I don't think I'm going to be able to go to live account. Obviously, from the prop firm space, from trading. We are getting a bit of a pullback here, guys. 978 is where we opened. Actually, no, I lied. 991. We almost tapped the 25,000, and then we actually start to get a pullback. So, wow, guys, man, look at this. I mean, I'm on a 1 minute chart. Even then, look how volatile this market is. I've got one contract, but then it's like, yeah, very volatile, guys. I'm gonna try and load in long here, one more, just in case we get pulled back down into this level 940, and that's it. You know, we'll see, guys. But definitely gotta be careful, man, with the size. I don't even think this one mini contract is gonna be able to survive once you start to get a pullback. You know, very difficult market, guys. Yeah, I've got to find a way to make a stronger comeback here in the next a week or two. Yeah, I kind of got completely destroyed today, unfortunately. Very, it definitely came as a surprise to me. I wasn't expecting this sort of a deep dive disruption today. Yeah, I kind of feel like, you know, today was a classic example of a day that you shouldn't be like, I shouldn't have traded. I don't think the only place where you can go live with the prop firm accounts is if you are part of Ontario, right? I don't even think traders from Quebec is gonna be allowed to go live. I don't know what it is, man. I don't know what it is. Twice we tried with Take Profit Trader because they needed me to go live twice, and it failed and they wouldn't even know because Trade of 8 said no, and then it's like, okay, well, they have no answer. So we just continue trading what we have here. And then the same thing with Top Step too. Oh, and then and My Fund the Futures as well, the same thing. So What do you guys think about the legend trading? You think it's kind of worth it? I know raw trades actually start trading with legend, but I wanna start getting into legend, but I just kind of feel like the activation may be a little bit pricey. But maybe if anybody knows here, they're not the best raw trades, but they pay. But everybody pays though, right? Everybody pays. All right, guys, I am long here on NQ, and this is on my funded account. All right, it's hitting, guys. Maybe I have a little chance of a bounce. Look at this bounce, guys, incredible. Maybe I'll try to add one more on the VWAP bounce. Do I have a chance? You think I should add one more? I'm gonna try and add one more here, guys, right here on a pullback. If you get, man, not even a small little pullback, hey. Oh my god, I want to add one more. Too late now, I guess, hey? Yeah, forget it, guys. Too late. Oh, I could now. It's retesting the VWAP. Alright, guys, I've got 3 contracts, and my stop is going to be now. I'm going to change my stop to, I would say, break even at this point. Well, no, I lied. Yep. Place my stop at the break even here. Hopefully it doesn't stop me out. But I got my stop at the break even. I'm looking for an extension here now. Let's see, guys, if you get it. Yeah, I would rather just not, yeah, I'd rather put my stop at the break even and have another limit order right underneath that, just in case we get a pullback, right? And then I'll put another one down there as well, so kind of gives me a chance. Like that's the Discord link. I thought everybody had Discord link. 1 second, guys, I'll share it again right now. Sorry, guys, I wasn't reading the chat. But man, guys, a lot of payouts coming out from a lot of traders right now, which is exactly what we want to see, and I'm so proud and really grateful to be part of this community. Cave Low, first time ever payout from funding ticks, man. Think about it, guys. Funding ticks. I mean, I don't think it's the best, but I don't think it's the worst either. And then if you just think about it from a grand scheme of things, it's $61 on a 1K payout cap. What's the worst it can be? You know, it's. I don't think Kev Low used the 1K payout cap because he's got $1,800. So I'm assuming that he's used the $5,000 payout cap, which is the max payout cap on that 50K account size, which is great. That right now is probably about $100. A bit pricey, but $61 is a 20% off. Yeah, pretty good deal. I mean, I like it, honestly. It's, you know, the thing is, right, there's no pressure in trading that account at all. No pressure at all. No pressure when you're paying that price, especially when it's like 35% off. It comes down to like $50, and then the reset's like $50, right? So I like it. Yeah, I like it. It's just no pressure, you know, whether you lose or you gain, it doesn't really matter. And they only allow you 6 accounts at a time, so I don't know. Holy smokes, man. Raw trades $3,000 from Bulanox, really? You bastard. Look at this, man. Raw trades $3,000, man. Look at that. Hey, raw trades, man. How's your Apex going? Did they say no? So if they say no, are you gonna be shifting to somebody else? What's the game plan here? But look at that, man. Bulanox $3,000, man. I think raw trades have proven, obviously, raw trades from 0 Day J as well. But I've seen a lot of payouts from raw trades, you know. Good stuff, man, honestly. Raw trades definitely a proven trader, including, obviously, who else? Bowser and everybody else. But good stuff, man. You guys are doing fantastic. I love it. I love it. What am I looking at right now, guys? Oh, guys, we are getting a bounce, man. This is my funded account, by the way, and I'm getting paid until it's not. until I take my profit. I am getting paid, guys. I'm gonna take one off the table right in this 980. Let's see if we get paid on this bad boy. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Yes, finally, Stock Tiger. You've been waiting for this moment. Prop shop, man. They're definitely the last one I would just even think about. They did approach me, but I didn't really bother too much. I honestly prefer funding ticks over prop shop. Prop shop. I think somebody from our Discord also tried prop shop before, if I'm not wrong. Like, how much are you paying? I haven't even taken a look at the prop shop, but guys, man, I need this triggered. 988, guys, come on, give it to me, hon, right now. I need it. I need it. Come on, give me some good news. I need one good news, everybody. Hit it. Come on, let's go, please. Yeah. Nice, guys. I like that. What a nice trade. All right, guys, now I'm gonna hard stop right at the view up. Actually, you know what, I'm gonna move my stop to 960 here. All right, and I'm gonna look for a bounce back into the 990, guys. Oh my god, look at that. A disaster pullback here. Great stuff, man. Just as when Stock Tiger got excited. I should just not say anything. We are not going above 994. Well, we could. I mean, we hit this, we hit this, we hit this. I mean, it's a... Oh, hold on, guys, 1 second. We hit this. I kind of feel like, we have a chance of a retest of the high. You guys don't think this is happening right now? Oh man, this is pretty close to my entry and where my stop is. I could get stopped out here, but it's still a good trade. Still a good trade no matter what happens to this trade right now. I'm gonna place my stop at the break even, guys. I don't want to even give $100 back. So you got stopped out at 60 and 47, but got back at the 45. Well, it's $430. It's still a good trade, bro. I mean, it's like, it's a tough market to. Maybe I got kind of lucky to be, a bit of a head start for the month. I'm just imagining if I did not get any payout this month, it would have been an absolute disaster because it's been a tough. I think it's a tough market right now. I'll be honest, especially when you have like 100 points, 200 point swings. It's really not easy, and when you're on the wrong side, it really becomes difficult, right? And you guys know I've been saying, okay, I'm gonna try and buy the dip, and every time I say I'm gonna buy the dip, the first thing I ask myself is, what if it's going to get a little bit of a deeper pullback into the support level 1, support level 2, and then the support level 3, and then obviously you still have the support level 4 as well, and then obviously the overall structure changes. Now the thing is, it went to an extreme oversold territory in the last couple weeks, okay? And that's where things become very difficult, because if you're going to be trying to go long on that support level 1 or 2, and it really pushes down and it gets a really deep pullback, your account's not going to survive. And with 1 or 2 mistakes, your account's blown, because you're going to add to your position thinking maybe that could be the footing, that could be the bounce, that could be the reversal pattern, a lot of different things, right? So that's exactly what happened to me, I think, the last couple days of trading, right? I went long on a pullback, but the pullback obviously was just the beginning of a pullback, right? So you had a much deeper pullback, right? So and that's where it kind of got tricky, and obviously ended up blowing a lot of my accounts, I would say. Definitely not an easy market. Definitely not an easy market. I wish it was easier, but I mean, higher low would be nice, but it's like the whole time you would see market do, like, usually what we would expect to see the market to do is like this, right? And then you have a nice beautiful higher low. But what's happening now, it's like, you have this trend line, you see this, and it goes deep pullback, and pretty quick as well. Well, you get a small little bounce, and it's like, whoo, another level. So you get support level 1, support level 2, and then you have like level 3, and then it's like so deep underwater, right? All the way down here, and you're finding your entries here, trying to go long, and you add to your position here too, and then it keeps pulling back, and your account's gone. You know what I mean? And then it reverses back against you. So the deeper pullback is where I kind of got stuck. Technically, in this sort of a situation, I should have had a hard stop, and I didn't do that, right? So just in case we get a pullback, where's your stop? Well, I had a mental stop, but then I did not respect my mental stop. Instead, I just kept let it go. So that's where I kind of got hurt. Very unfortunate, but it's just one of those things. All right, guys, I got my hard stop here, 970, where my entry is. So if we end up getting a pullback here, then I guess I'm going to be out of this trade. But I still think that we pull back a little bit and then maybe get a bounce. Let me just let me just kind of try to risk about $300, okay? I want to try and risk about 350 bucks. And I'm going to look for a bounce back up again, okay? 25. Let's put a magic number here. $25,000 is what I want it to go. Maybe we get a little bit of a pullback before we get a bounce, but ultimately I think we see ourselves get a bounce maybe. That's what I am going to try and do. It looks like a Picasso. Oh, let's take a look at the chat. Sorry, guys, I did not read the chat. James, what up, man? We are not going above 25,000. RW, what up, man? Stock Tiger, are your top rules for trading? What are your top rules for trading? My top rules, it's managing risk. Managing risk is my top rule, but obviously I've not done a good job in managing my risk in the last few days. I have completely not respected at all, right? So I think ultimately managing risk is where I kind of feel like it becomes the most important thing in my trading. And of course there's a lot of other components, right? It's not like one thing really dictates the rest. It's not like that, but I mean, a lot of other components too, but I would say managing risk overall, I think that's probably the more important thing for me, because that way I can stick to my accounts for much longer and not just blow accounts left, right, and center, right? Then 25, what up, man? You got stopped out. Oh, you got stopped out. Bowser, we hit 25k. Same Jay in the house. What up, man? How's it going? When you buy the dip keeps dipping. I know it. Yeah, that's yeah, this is what I was talking about right now, right? It keeps dipping and dipping and dipping. It's like, okay, well, by the time when everybody's knocked out, it's like the market starts to get a bounce. Sounds easy to find the bottom, but I mean, and that's where I'm kind of going, okay, well, I should have had my hard stop. Well, if not a hard stop, a mental stop, but I didn't have my mental stop either. I did not manage my risk, because by the time I try to put my mental stop, I should have already known how much I'm risking on this trade, but I didn't do that. I was kind of too naive, if you will, because I wasn't expecting this market to give me that sort of a pullback. But of course, market did what it wants to do and give us that nasty 500 points pullback. which there's no way in the world you're going to be able to survive in that trade if you have no hard stop or even a mental stop to get out. What up, man? Market movers are doing retail rinse, man. Yeah, absolutely. That rinse was pretty good, man. Today's what do you call this? The Wall Street definitely did something to retailers for sure. They knocked everybody out. Maybe not everybody, but me for sure. I got absolutely smoked. Mustafa, what is going on, man? Long time. If a platform had an ability to, so you could lock yourself stop, it wouldn't let you move it. Yeah, that's true. Zen25, born to win. Do you really use the mental stop loss when we start to tilt? Do we really use the mental stop loss when you start to tilt? Look, you know, when you are tilting, your mental stop technically is not working, right? It's not working because you're tilting, right? So you wouldn't tilt if you're respecting your mental stop, right? You call it tilting when you're not respecting your mental stop. So they don't go together, right? So that's what I said. I did not respect my mental stop, and that's why I was tilting, because I kept letting it going down further deeper underwater, thinking that we are gonna get a bounce before it blows my account. But of course we never did that. The market did just enough to get everybody out. Sam J, what up, man? So you need to have a hard stop for what we will ask for trade and not blow up our hard work. Well, yeah, I mean, born to trade, think about it. You know, a lot of people lost a lot of money putting hard stop too. And that's because it stops them out and get a bounce. Just enough to knock everybody out. But I've made a lot more money and a lot more profits and a lot more winning trades. My winning ratio when I have a mental stop versus hard stop, it's a pretty significant difference, right? So I have made a lot more winning trades placing my mental stop, right? So you have to think about it, right? Maybe if your mental stop is not working, and if you have your hard stop, and if that's working out for you, then you gotta go after hard stop. For me, mental stop actually does better. So you seriously have to stop trading mini, guys. We're getting a slow grind to the downside right now, and I'm already up $500. I don't know if I want to give all this back, so I'm gonna flatten this, guys. I want to flatten this. I'm just gonna try and keep this, you know, let's try to keep this this account. I locked it out, guys. I made $500. I wanna protect it if I can. This is definitely not a market environment where, you know, we could. It's difficult to trade this market, right? So and I've also got to trade this. I traded this. I don't know why it's not popping on my funded futures network. Let me just take a look at this, guys. Funded futures network. I don't know. Funded futures network. I think they're gonna be getting something. I'm not sure. I have to go take a look and see what sort of a news are we gonna get tomorrow. But oh my god, I need $4,400 to pass this account. 44, 43.84. I just need $100 more to pass this. I can't believe that, guys. And I still have not. Well, I traded all the days, so I just need $100 more to pass this bad boy. So let's try to do that. Am I on the right thing? Is this actually moving right now? Let's try to use micro, right? Might as well do micro. All right, guys, I'm long micro on my funded futures network. On long, I wanted to go short. Anyways, that's fine. Kind of got confused. Buy limit. Buy limit. Buy limit. Buy limit. Buy limit. Okay, so there we go, guys. That's my... Too micro is too mini. Yeah, I mean, but also just think about it, guys. I mean, if you're on the right side today, for example, if the market just kept dumping, and you were in a 1 mini contract, and that one contract would have got you like $10,000 of profit, right? So on hindsight, you know, we are kind of going, okay, well, we should downsize, but at the same time, if you're on the right side of the trade, then you would have made lots and lots of profits, right? So it's like, you know, a risk you're taking. So a good example would be my, you know, Take Profit Trader Pro account trading that I had just yesterday. Oh, sorry, not yesterday, 2 days ago, right? That $5,600 of profit that I made. You know, I got into like 3 mini contracts and then I took 2 off the table very, very quickly. And I left 1 as a runner, and the market kept ripping like 300-400 points, you know? So I took a risk, I took a step. At some point, you're going to have to take some sort of a risk, right? You know, to get paid. And that's exactly what I've done. I've lost accounts along the way, but that $5,600 that I made, you know, like that $3,100 net profit that I took away yesterday was a huge, you know, like boost. You know what I mean? Huge boost, because if I didn't have that, and if I had a bad day today, I would have been like, okay, well, shoot, I'm in trouble. You know what I mean? So it's kind of like, you know, it's not always the greatest thing, in my opinion, to just be, okay, well, 2 micro is like the best thing we gotta have. It's not always the case. It really depends on the situation, but I would rather be a lot more aggressive sometimes. And you know, today was a day where we could have said, okay, well, let's try to go slow. But then at the same time, if I was aggressive, which I was today, but if I was on the right side, then I would have been banking $20,000-$30,000 today easily. And today was the kind of a day to do that. And you know, would have been good. It could have been a lot of fun. But Stock Tiger, you know, got chopped from this market. This market was kind of like, I don't know, you know, I was just chasing this market today, pretty much. Let's just say I was just chasing this market today, guys. Ugly. It's like goes up. I'm like, no, I wanna go with the flow, and then the market starts to fake and gives you this dumpage, right? But today was a pretty easy read, but I just think I just did a bad job. That's it. No, it's a very obvious, like today, you know, we've seen that plenty of times over and over again, but then, you know, I just did not do well. That's it. You know, that's the bottom line. You know, it's like when you had this chop. We've seen this for a few days now, and yet I did not see this coming, right? We had the same classic example of chop within a very tight range, and we just could not break out, right? We just could not break out. And then you got a flush. And I tell you what, we had the same thing every day right here, guys. Same thing here, right? Same thing here. Chop. We just didn't have the juice to get it above. And it gave you that flush. And I'll tell you what again, another one. I'm gonna show it to you now. Oh, that was it. So that was 2 days in a row we got it, right? 2 days in a row, and yet we just never, you know, capitalized on that dumpage. Well, not really. We had it here, right? And then we also had it here. This one here, and then we had another one here. Same thing. Here, and here. Same thing, guys. We just couldn't get above this. I don't know. So where am I at right now? We're getting a little pullback here. What was I trading? I was trading on my Fundy Futures Network. What? Wow. Scalper, what up, man? You shoot 1 micro for that account. Maybe 1 micro. I'm gonna have to wait forever to get my $100 I need. Tiger, what trading platform is that? This is Onyx. This is for what again? For Fundy Futures Network. Gen 25, today's starts was good, but then after the dump was super unusual on no news. Yeah, Gen 25. Oh, yeah. It was very unusual, absolutely. What's even more funny today is oh man, look at this, man. Look at this dump today. I don't know, man. That's like 600-700 points dump today. I don't know. I'm just a little tired and a bit exhausted with this price action that we are getting lately and getting chewed by the market. So I'm gonna, once the streaming is over, I'm gonna have a deep sleep today. Deep dive into the sleeping mode, in a dream mode, so I can really think about something good, positive, to have a much stronger rest of the week. I don't know, man. I thought it's passed, but I'm taking a look at my FFN. I forgot to trade this account, damn it. But they're saying I need 100 something more dollars to pass. So let's see, guys. What am I looking at right now? Hold on, I'm trying to go long or short. Oh, I'm confused. Hold on 1 second, guys. Am I long or short? No, shit. I thought I was shorting. All right, looks like I'm long. All right, that's fine. I'm long. Okay, which is not okay. But I guess I'm gonna have to now add on a pullback here. We'll look to see if we can actually get a nice little bounce. Maybe. I don't. How much do I need? Jeez. All right, we'll see, guys. Yeah, we're gonna have to get a bounce in this market. Oh, I thought I passed this account, but apparently I still need a few more dollars. I mean, honestly, I don't even know. I don't even want to trade this account, to be honest with you. Like, I don't know if this really matters. But I might as well use it, and I might as well try to pass. We'll see. So I'm trading this right now. Oh. Let's see if we get a little bounce. I need how much again? What did they say? They're telling me I need 43.82. So 43.82, 43.85 minus 41.61. So I need $224. 225, that's what I need. And I'm already down about 60 bucks, so I need $225 more on this trade, so we'll see. I wonder how many contracts do I have on this bad boy. Oh, actually, you know what? I don't need that many. Let's leave it here. All right. Weird situation. Incredibly determined short sellers. Where? In this market now, in Q. Alfred Haywood, what is up, man? Spoiled trades. How's it going, Alfred? Your trades and your payouts, it's all doing well. I hope you're doing well. Scalpster, why are you on micro now? Because you seem shocked by playing 3 mini earlier and I got my poo-poo handed, almost blowing your account at negative 1480 on 25k account. Oh, by the way, let me just see if I can actually request a payout, guys. With actually, I requested a payout with Apex for $1,100, and I still have to wait 2 more days to trade the other ones. What do you mean? You have 1 click? I'm not sure what you mean. You have the 1 click turned on? What does that mean, bro? Oh, I'm up, guys. I'm up. Ooh, look at this, baby. All right, guys, not looking too shabby here. Had a $5,000 day. Oh my jeez. Alfred, kill the market. Oh, $5,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, guys. Officially, I have tomorrow 1 more day to trade, and I'm gonna be requesting another $4,000 with Apex, and I ended up requesting 1 as well today for $1,100. So I've got $5,000 that I'll be requesting with Apex tomorrow, including the one that I requested today for $1,000. And then we'll see. You know, it's a top right. Top right. What does that mean? Top right. Where? Oh, 1 click. What does that mean? 1 click. Oh. What does that do though? Because I'm gonna go a little aggressive on this bad boy. Confirm. Oh man, as soon as I entered, we're getting a deep dive pullback here. See? Sale, sale. Oh shit, no. Supposed to be 1. There we go, guys. I'm down now. Good stuff, Stock Tiger. Man, I hate this platform. What kind of a platform is this? I have no idea what I'm doing, but sale. Oops. The 1 clicks. What does that do though? Right? I don't know. Let's take a look at the P&L. Holy mochaccino, guys. Look at this live account called the short today. Damn it. Nice, nice. Good stuff, man. Congrats, Alfred. Congrats, man. Super duper. So glad to see you do well. That's great. So can you actually take the whole $5,000 on your live account on the Pro Plus or no? I'm not sure. Good stuff, bro. Traits, man. Awesome. Really amazed to see you do so well, all of you. Oh, that's me. That's me. Yeah, man. 3,000 here, man. Guys, you guys are killer. Holy, man. $5,000. I wonder if you can actually take this whole thing out. That would be really amazing if you could do that. I don't know what the difference is between the Pro Plus and the Pro from a payout standpoint. It may be different, I guess, right? Oh, you could, but it would close the account. Oh, man. You could close the account, so there's no buffer, I guess, hey? There's no, like, what's the buffer? Obviously, there's no such thing as buffer in Pro Plus. The final candle, one-click order. Do not waste time asking if this is the order you want. Instant implementation. Oh, I see. Oh, let's try that. Yeah. I don't know, guys, what this market's gonna do, man. It's gonna tank or what now? Come on, decide what you want to do. I want my $200 and I can walk away. I'm gonna keep adding, guys. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Oh, I see. X is going, man. This is a problem. This is a bigger problem. Now I'm gonna be like, I'm free fall. Just keep adding. Wow, incredible stock tiger. And now I'm down about $300. Great stuff. No buffer on a Pro Plus. Oh yeah. No buffer. Guys, we are getting a pullback. I'm down. Well, I guess I'm gonna lose this account now. And then I wanted to just quickly pass. Let's see. Two, 4, 6, 8. Sell. This platform right here that I'm using right now, it's Stock Tiger platform, guys. Stock Tiger platform. This is my new platform, guys. Thank you so much for your support, everybody. This is a brand new platform that Stock Tiger came up with. Okay, it's like truly the most amazing, highest revolution, the biggest and the largest platform ever built for advanced traders. Come on, guys. What are you talking about? 50-year-old? Damn it, guys. Oh my god, guys. Come on. Come on. Let's be a little positive, guys. What? Guys, I'm getting dumped right now. Down about $700. Great stuff, man. Great platform. This is a freaking garbage. I don't like this platform now. Now that I'm down. Guys, man, this is my new platform. This is called a Stock Tiger Mars platform. No, yeah, I'm just kidding, guys. This is the Onyx. This is my Onyx. This is from Funded Futures Network. It's there. I don't know. I think it's there in-house. I'm not sure. Maybe somebody can explain that. From Timu. Yeah, right, Bailey. You are so bad at mean. Look at that. Are you using API? No, I don't know. I don't do API. I think it's a Dollar Tree. You guys are so mean to me, man. I already had a bad day, guys. Leave me alone. Wow, look at this pump. Look at this bounce, guys. This is exactly what I needed. I think I'm already up now. Do I really need anything more than this? I gotta be at 43.82. 43.82. I still need 140 bucks more, so let's see if we get it right here, right now. I guess not a bad day after all, but I'm a little sad, guys. A little sad. Stock Tiger is a little sad and depressed of everything that just happened this morning. You didn't mean it against you. I'm just kidding. Do not worry, everybody. I know. But this platform is, yeah, man. I don't even know what to tell you guys. It's horrible. Horrible. That's all I can say. But you know what? Sometimes a nice and simple platform actually works better. This is pretty straightforward, to be honest. Nice and simple. There's really nothing there. You know, I'm just looking at this channel, looking at this. It's pure price action chart, pretty much. I really don't want to add any indicators on this. I do not want to. I just want to just leave it as is, and just, you know, trade based off the price action, really, to be honest. And that's the bigger problem. What am I going to do as we move to the funded account on this one? If we pass, I think I've already passed now. 44, I think I passed. I don't need any more profit on this. I'm just going to take this off right here. Oh, you kidding me? I need $10 more to pass. Guys, I'm just gonna move to NQ. Guys, sorry, man. I just need to pass this bad boy. I'm kind of like annoyed. You know, I kept forgetting to trade this account, and finally I'm trying. And it's like I still need some more money. Maybe I should have placed a limit order. I don't know. Wow, I can't believe this. I'm down by limit. Maybe here. So I got filled. Man, I can't believe this, guys. We are pulling back here now. And it's just 42 bucks. 50 bucks. Oh my god. I don't have time for this, man. Let's just try to move on from this. I needed what, $10? I'm down what, 75. Great stuff, man. Back to break even. Wow. I know I need 10 bucks, man, guys. I don't even know why I flipped to NQ when you only need $10. Incredible, Stock Tiger. You're like freaking awesome. You need a Stock Tiger needs a little rest. I think that's what it is. I can't believe how hard can this be. Trying to look for $10 to pass. I completely forgot to trade this account as well, man. For the longest time ever. I blew a few, and then it's like, you know, I've got this one account that I'm like, okay, well, I completely forgot. I thought I kind of failed as well. I didn't realize I had an account even here. Anyways. Maybe I get one funded account with the funded futures network. Oh, and I have to also get a free eval too. Guys, don't forget, this funded futures network gets you one account and one eval for free, right? So it's like you're paying what again? I can't remember exactly how much you're paying now, but you pay like 75 to 80 bucks for one account, and then they give you one free eval of the same account size. Okay, so you're literally paying about $40 on each. And you have a choice to either trade on Rhythmic or in under this Onyx. And I think if you ask Dude45 on our Discord, he can tell you what other... I think he's trading through Edge, if I'm not wrong. Oh my god, guys. What the hell, man? Oh my god. What a waste. What a waste of time and energy trading this. Incredible. Yeah, I guess we're gonna have to stay a little patient, I guess, right? I don't know why, man. I have no idea, man. It says my target's 44. I've got to get to 44. And 40, to be exact, 43.83. 43.83. Maybe I'll just work on this tomorrow, maybe. I don't know. I kind of feel like I'm wasting my time and energy on this bad boy right now. And it keeps pulling back, I'll be down further deeper. Maybe underwater. $43.82. That's what it says on the dashboard. I don't know how, but rough, guys. Down $500. Wow, great stuff, Stock Tiger. This is probably the most difficult trade I got into the whole entire day. $10 all I need, and now we are down $500. Wow, look at this, guys. We are getting a deeper pullback here. Can I just keep adding? What's the max contract on this bad boy? 44? Oh, that's it. 4 is the max I can go. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, 4 is the only one. I could only go 4. If they allowed me 10, I would have gone 10, but anyways. Yeah, I'm still not there yet, famous clip. I understand your concern, but I'm not there yet. I'm not completely I still have the discipline. Do not worry. I still have the discipline, guys. I'm not completely getting destroyed, so I think we're okay. I mean, this account may not be okay, but I'm okay. I'm okay, guys. I'm okay. Thank you guys for being concerned about Stock Tiger, but I'm okay, guys. Oh, I'm all right, man. It looks pretty bearish, guys. Down 12 now. That's a pre-Asia market drop. Could be, man. Could be. Which province you're living in? Man, I got this question like 5 times today. I don't know how. But we are in Alberta, guys. The biggest and the largest. I've been saying that. The biggest and largest. We got the biggest mountain. We got the biggest cars. We got the biggest mosquitoes. And what else do we have? The biggest houses too. What else? Come on. What else, guys? Come on, Albertans. Speak out. This is the moment for us to shine. We got a lot of Albertans, by the way, here. The biggest bears too. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, biggest bears. No, really. I don't know. I only came across bears like 3 times, but they all look tiny. I don't know. Mortman. Yeah, that's a secret. That's a secret. Guys, are we gonna get a bounce or what now, guys? Can somebody make a call? Let me know. Are we gonna get a bounce? Or are we gonna try to retest 917? I guess. And that's the low. Guys, did everybody forget to smack the like, guys? You guys want to support the stream? Thank you so much, everybody. I'm getting tired of this Japan, Korea, China, tariff, Fed, Jerome Powell. You know, I'm really getting tired of these people, to be honest. I'm like, it's like every day it's like a new story over and over again, guys. I guess it's that time of the year right now. Very annoying. Very annoying. And this Fed speakers today was an absolute monster. I hate them. I hate all of these guys. Are we gonna get a bounce now? Versa in the house, man. How's it going, Versa? I haven't heard from you much. Are you trading lately or no? Are you banking? How's your take profit trader accounts going, man? I know you blew one, but I mean, did you buy any accounts with your new with your payouts? By the way, guys, I can't even see this. I'm long, but why can't I? All right, guys, I think that's it. Do I really need any more? 4382, 4382, guys. I passed. Okay, thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu. Let's just move on to something else now. Jeez, guys, I'm tired of this nonsense. Woo, baby. Whoa. All right, so we are back here, 950. Yeah, it doesn't look pretty good though, right? It looks kind of bearish. Yeah, it doesn't look bullish at all to me, guys. Do you think we're gonna like this could be a little fake to the upside? What I kind of feel like, you know, we could be breaking, you know, like the structure could be it doesn't look bullish at all to me, man. I don't like this chart right now. To the long, I don't like it. Or maybe we pull back all the way down again to kind of try to retest this level. Right? We may end up pulling back into the 24,800. and try to get a bounce maybe. I think ultimately we try to see a retest of this high, 25,200. The market is definitely a lot more fragile, right? We've seen that move, big moves. Like, obviously, we did not get this sort of a pullback for no reason. The market is weak, right? Overall, it's very fragile. We see that, and I see that right now. But does that mean this market is going to start getting a pullback now? It's wow, man, that was like how many points, man? Now it's like 1,200 points pullback. This one single thing. This is institutional selling, pressure stepping in, taking everybody out, and then it's like they take everybody out, and then they try to go long down here in the 24,200. Wow, and that's just getting narrower and narrower, by the way. And at some point, this market will have to start decide what it wants to do. You know, we've kissed that again. We're tapping every major levels and major pivot too. So I think at some point we try to bounce back up again, I guess, right? From a grand scheme of things now, just take a look down, and then maybe we try to go up, back up again, right? Bounce. At some point, I think we get a bounce. I think that's what I see. This is what I kind of see this market gonna do. Yeah. Let's take a look at the chat. So I don't know. We may just pretty much just chop here for a little while, I guess. Christopher Phillips, man, gold is killing you right now. Really, what is gold doing now? Vinny Lee in the house, man. What up, Vinny Lee? DJ Neeson, what is going on, man? Christopher TPT. Oh, you blew your pro. Are you trading anything now? Fiber Splice Gold, what up, man? So much of Japan news, guys. Tokyo, I guess, opening in about 10 more minutes, but it's really nothing there at the moment to kind of like. I don't know what to do. I just feel it's more bearish to me than bullish, to be honest. You know, this is what I kind of feel like this market's trying to do. We had a nice little pop, but it's like I kind of feel like we're having a little bit of a shift in the structure here overall in this market, right? And I kind of feel like this could be a place where we get a rejection. And then we start to pull back down. And then the next level of support is going to be in this. Is this what you guys not see? I mean, for now, it could be a sideways action. And then we start to get a pullback all the way down into the 850s. I think that's what I kind of see myself right now. So at least these two accounts that I've got right now, guys, Apex funded account, $4,600 in total profits. I'm going to be requesting a payout tomorrow. That's $2,000 each. $4,000, and I also requested $1,000 payout today. That's so total 50, a little over $5,000 in Apex accounts payout. And then what else? So let's take a look at this month, guys. Maybe a quick recap of what is up with this month. Well, let's try to trade my my combine. Maybe try to pass this bad boy today. We'll trade the MNQ. We'll start off with one. and an area for me to kind of like, okay, well, the last resort, I'm gonna stop out right here and look for a target back down into the 912s, but I'm gonna be looking for a little bit of a bounce, right? And then get a rejection here, and then starts to pull back down. Okay, so let's try to add some more contracts here along the way, and add some more. Okay, this is what I plan to do now, right? I'm gonna look for a little pop. I just went 1 micro just to kind of like test the water, but we could pump. So I'm gonna have my hard stop here, right above the initial level of resistance, right there. And we have another one here, and then we also have a VWAP. So this area is gonna be very important, right? So we'll see, guys. I've got my limit orders right now. So probably by the time we, you know, this is said and done, I'll get fills. Probably my average is gonna be right up here, and then I've got my stop here as well. So we'll look to trade, and then I'm gonna look for a target back down into the 910. That's the next level of support. Could have another one here. And probably we try to retest back into the 885s maybe. Let's look for that target, guys. I like when you're taking a look at this larger time frame, I kind of feel like, you know, we've got some pull back before we get a bounce. I don't know. Let me try to believe in that thesis for now and look for a little pullback down and add to my short position along the way as well. So there we go. All right, it's getting filled as we speak. That's my limit order. All right, so there we go. And then I noticed that you guys put a lot of numbers right now. Holy smokers, man. What does all these numbers come from? Oh dear. Oh, Cocochina 254. That's a lot of numbers, guys. That's a lot of numbers. Yeah, so I'm looking for a little pullback here. We've got Tokyo in about 5 more minutes, so let's see how this Tokyo opens. I've already have my orders in place. That's it. You know, we'll see how it goes, and I've got to really step up. I'm gonna try to refresh myself and try to, you know, try to be better in handling my trades for the next few days. I think it's truly going to be very important, right? If I continue to wreck my accounts in the next few days, I think that would become a bigger problem. So I've got to really be able to control myself, be patient, and really be better at what I'm doing right now, or else I'm going to be in a deep trouble. Stock Tiger in trouble again. Oh no. And I thought the Tradify contest, I thought I was going to be able to have my own team, but I guess they already have a pre-built team, you know, which obviously came as a little surprise to me. Very annoying that I can't, we can't do that. I did send an email, but I don't think that's going to work though. Very unfortunate. Now, of course, because of that, I'm not going to be on that. I'm not going to be trading on that tournament now that we can't build a team. So too bad, you know, it's just one of those things. Maybe I was too small. I got a little bit too overexcited. All right, guys, we are getting a little bit of a break. Now, this is going to be a big one.
Order filled.
All right, guys, we are breaking out. Let's see. Wow. I'm only down about 85. Not a huge issue, but looks the thing that I'm a little concerned now is that I kind of feel like, you know, we're trying to break out, which is definitely not something I was expecting. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna have to full tilt this bad boy. Guys. Wow, look at this move. This is literally about 20 points. Well, not 20 points, actually. Yeah, it's about 20 points, I think. Come on, what is up with the gold, guys? Is something going on with the gold? Let's take a look at the gold, guys. Nothing there. Are you seriously kidding me? All this bounce that we had. Where is this freaking market, guys? Bring it to me. Oh my god, I got stopped out. My account got blown right here, guys. And now the whole freaking move. Get lost, gold. I'm not gonna talk to you ever again. Get the hell out of here. Get the hell out of here, gold. Damn it. I'm not looking at this gold freaking thing anymore. This stupid gold. Oh my god. Look at that gold, guys, man. It literally tanked right after stopping me out. I mean, it's okay. I don't know, man. I don't even know. I don't even want to think about it right now. So annoying. Anyways, it's me. Who am I to blame, right? It's me. It is the tiger. Here's the problem. Here is the problem. The greatest trader. My win rate with gold is probably like 10% now. Wow, incredible, guys. Win rate 10%, guys. I probably have to put on my title now. The biggest win rate, 10% gold. Great stuff. Maybe that's what I should do. I'm gonna change my title, guys. My title is gonna change from tomorrow now. The biggest trader. Exactly, a cappuccino, man. To 8 p.m. Lauren, it's MJ, man. So if I just go long, I'll win. Oh, that's there's no such thing as guarantee in trading, by the way. It is all purely probability. So if you truly believe that you're gonna bank, just go. Well, you know what? If you're swing trading on your own personal live account, maybe you have a good chance. But I don't know, man. With this volatility that we're getting right now in this market, moving about 400 to 800 points, I don't know, bro. Like, you probably have to have like $50,000 in your account to kind of survive in this trade, or even on a swing trade. This is literally about 2-3 points move in this market, and that's gonna really wreck your personal live account. That's why this personal live account becomes seriously could turn out to be a big disaster, right? Can you imagine if you have your own live account and you've got like $20,000 on there, and you try to go long or short, and you try to swing trade that account? Imagine how it's gonna be. Or maybe you could make $100,000 for all you know. If you get lucky, let's say if you're short gold and nobody expected you're gonna pull back in gold, and the gold pullbacks like 3-4%, that's gonna be huge. That's gonna be massive, right? Guys, look at this volume spiking in right now. I'm gonna tilt this, guys, on a bounce. Let's see. Not right now, but on a bounce. I'm risking about,
Order
I
filled.
would say, I don't know exactly how much it is.
Order filled. Order filled.
Look at this dumpage. Oh my god. You've got to be kidding me, guys. Is this real? What in the world, guys? Oh, we got Tokyo. Guys, we got Tokyo. I completely forgot about Tokyo, guys. We got Japan. Tokyo is open now. I completely forgot we had Tokyo now. Damn it. I think this could be a problem. What now? Are we gonna get a pullback here? Make everybody happy. Give me that freaking pullback now. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on. Let's make everybody happy. This is a Wednesday night. Let's make everybody happy, guys.
Order
Wednesday night, let's make everybody happy. Let's go, baby. Maybe I can have 1xFA. Jeez, guys. What a scramble. This market is so volatile, man. Holy mochino. Why is YouTube so slow? I have no idea, brother. Why is YouTube so slow? Can somebody explain? Can somebody help with this Oh, guys, I'm gonna place my stop at the break even. There we go, guys. All right. Well, pretty much a break even trade. But you know, I was kind of down, right?
filled.
But I don't know, man. What the hell, guys? Are we gonna bounce or what now? I'm gonna place my stop there. I've got 6 contracts now. It's a very volatile. Yeah, it's a very volatile, guys. Let's take a look at the gold. Man, you guys keep talking about gold now. Oh man, the gold's tanking. Well, maybe we get some kind of a bounce or what now? Let's try. I don't know. Let's give it a try. I got failed. I don't know. At least we get a bounce at least into the 180 maybe. At least let's just try to increase my win rate, guys, in gold. And so I'm gonna look for a $10 pop here, guys. $10 to increase my win rate. I can't be at 10%, can I? At least let's try to make that 20% by giving me a little bit of a win here, guys. $20 in the hala, guys, for a 20% win rate. $20 is all I'm looking for to give myself a little chance to make my win rate 20%, guys, on gold. I don't think that's gonna be too difficult. I don't think I'm gonna be asking for too much. The $20, I think it's definitely doable. What do you guys think? See, I told you. I told you. It's getting filled now. I think it's getting filled. Come on, you gotta be kidding me, guys. Is this not getting filled? Are you serious? There we go. See, I told you. See, win rate's gone up from 10 to 20%, guys. Congrats, Stock Tiger. Woo, baby. I'm moving back to M&Q now. Now it's pretty close. Holy mochino. All right, guys. No longer 10%. No longer. I won that trade. I got it up. All right, guys, let's see if we can actually get this squeeze, obviously to the downside, not to the upside, guys. I don't know. I don't want to mess with gold anymore. It's I think it's a waste of time for me. I'm just not doing a good job with gold, and I get that. Not like it's a surprise to me. But at least one thing I've done great is I've increased my win rate, so that's good. I'll be happy with that for sure. Yeah. Do we get a pullback here, guys? Are we gonna get a pullback here or no? Well, Yeah, there's something going on with YouTube, I can tell you. Yeah, there's something going on, guys. It's weird. Yeah, there's something cracking on YouTube. I can't even go to my channel. It's weird. Yeah, something is weird. But even then, guys, even then I still have like 260 viewers. I don't know how. 60 viewers, 260 viewers with only 60 likes. Uh-oh. Really? Is that real? I don't think so, man. I don't think that's true. Is that like 60 accurate? I thought we all fellow traders all support each other. I guess that's not the case. 60 likes. No, it's still 60 right now. Oh, is that right? 60 likes? Okay, that's fine. All right, so Tradify's processing my payment. You guys talk about the Rice Pay is pretty quick. They've been pretty slow to me. They're probably the slowest one. Yeah, there's something funky. All right, guys, we are getting a little pullback here, which is great, but what is gold doing? Jesus Christ, guys. You've got to be kidding, guys. Yeah. I don't even know what to tell you. I don't even know what to tell you about gold. Forget about gold. So I can't even go to my YouTube. So we have a little problem. Maybe not, it's loading. My Discord does not work. What is, like, is there anything that's working right now, guys? Anything that's working? Yeah, I think YouTube is back, but that's a pretty bad YouTube. Shame on you. Whoa, no, I shouldn't be saying bad about YouTube. I think YouTube is great. Kelly Kaufman, what up, man? YouTube is the best. YouTube is the #1. I love you, YouTube. No, YouTube is working. Everything's great about YouTube. Yeah, no, something's not right now. Anyways, guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. And by the way, 44, so JP, your channel just barely started working for me. Yeah, it's working now. I see that. That's kind of weird. We are getting a slow little grind to the upside here on NQ. I still kind of feel like, we get a pullback though. I may try to add to my short position by trying to, let's see if we get a bounce, but I'm gonna try and short this, guys. We may be trying to build some more liquidity here, right? Build more liquidity, and then we kind of distribute, build it back down. I think maybe we're having a little bit of accumulation here of liquidity, and then we pull back all the way down to the 900s. Could be. Guys, we still have like 300 viewers, man. Thank you guys for being here. But there's something going on with the likes, man. We've had the 60 likes for the longest time ever. That's weird. The 60 has been like there for like about an hour and a half. I don't know what is up with that. You only see 53 likes. That's strange, man. What the hell is going on, guys? What in the world? YouTube is the best. YouTube is the best. I love you, YouTube. Mine says 61. Mine says 60. That's weird, man. And we still have like 260 viewers. Sorry, 286 viewers now. That's incredible. And by the way, I never said we're gonna do any giveaways, but we got a lot of numbers here, guys. Holy smokes! Are you kidding me? Seriously, guys, this. Oh man, guys, man. Hey, guys, watch this. Guys, man, we gotta watch this, guys. Holy man. 150k accounts. What? Are you serious about this? Boney, I mean, you got a beautiful name. That's Boney, but yeah, I don't know, man. Like, this is incredible. Oh, this looks so beautiful, man. I mean, I can have a little piece of this if you want. Is that what you're sharing because you want to share a portion of that? I mean, that's great for the community. But look at that, man. Look at this average $6,500. 14 days of trading. This almost kind of looks like you've been copy trading these accounts, but I mean, that's pretty huge, man. Oh, wow. Like, there's 20 accounts times 20, 2,000 bucks. I think it's 150k, so you're like $2,500, right? Times 20 accounts, that's like $50,000. That's like my biggest payout in a month that you're taking on a single payout. We're gonna move this to the P&L. This isn't a payout, right? This is just a P&L. So, but I mean, that's incredible, good stuff. Good stuff, man. Oh, Lawrence. All right. Hold on 1 second, guys. Yeah, it's not working. Yeah, this is what I got too. Oh, see, there's 60 likes right there. Told you, 60 likes. We got so many numbers, man. What happened? All right, I guess we'll have to do a cash giveaway right now. I don't really have a lot of choice, right? You got so many numbers. Oh well, I don't have a choice. You guys posted the numbers without even me and making an announcement. We'll do one. That's fine. And that's how it's going to be. And yeah, honestly, I wanted to thank everybody for always being here with. Oh my god, guys, 1 second, guys. What the heck was that, guys? I'm gonna add some more. Alright, so I'm gonna place my stop here. I'm gonna put a hard stop now without having to add to any of my position. I'm risking about $200 on this trade. Let's see if we get a pullback here or we get a bounce. Incredible, guys. Yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, I wanted to thank everybody, right? Every day, right? Every day we've been consistently having over 300 viewers. Today's probably the lowest one we have, but I mean, I thank you all for being here every day during the Asian market, guys. 6 p.m. Eastern time. It's always my honor to be able to live stream and trade live with real accounts, right? Real trades with real emotions that I put it out there. And I thank you all of you for always being here and supportive. Whether I do well or whether I get smoked, it doesn't matter. You guys are always there to support me, so Same J. Come on, I'm talking to you, man. Stop talking about gold. I'm talking to you. Hey, Paul, man, what is up, man? Thank you for being a member of the stream. Thank you once again, Paul. Oh my God, like, is there something going on right now? This market is just so incredibly volatile, guys. Asia market doing stuff like this. I mean, we haven't seen that in a while, right? Asia market is definitely starting to become a lot more tradable, I think. Oh, and by the way, yeah, so we gotta do our giveaway, right? I'm gonna do a $30 cash giveaway. I'm gonna share. All right, guys, we'll do a cash giveaway now. I've got to get going as well, and there's stuff I've got to do. 1 second, guys. I'm gonna hold on 1 second, guys. I've got to send a little text here. Yeah, it's weird, guys. We've had 60 likes for over an hour and a half. It's weird. That's a pretty decent sized pullback here, guys. I may be passing this I guess it's combine today. All right, guys, we'll do our giveaway. Honestly, guys, I want to thank you once again, man. I mean, I want to thank everybody for being here, even though we only have 66 likes. It's okay, right? But right, so hold on 1 second, guys. Let's try to see if this market's actually gonna give me a little pullback here. I'm gonna place my limit orders. Pullback here, what now? We may be getting a flush down. I don't know, man. Like I said again, we were kind of building liquidity, and this flush maybe it could have been a little bit more. Maybe we get it right here, right now. I guess I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Oh, there's something going on with the YouTube. Oh, it's the best. YouTube is the best. Okay, all right, it's the best. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and do our cash giveaway, guys. I've got to get going. So, oh man, look at this market trying to get a bounce. All right, you gotta have just make sure you guys have a PayPal account. All right. Oh shit, guys, 1 second. What the hell was that? Oh my God. What the hell is going on here in this market, guys? Mr. Red Candle here in the house. How's it going, Red Candles? How are you? Charles Jolie, Sam J, Tommy Stark in the house as well. My monkey is not here today. He's in trouble for sure. 6 Legion accounts. What do you guys think about Legion accounts, guys? Do you guys like it? Do you guys think it's worth trading a legend? All right, guys. By the way, anyways, let's just go back to our. I'm gonna do this pretty quick, guys. If you are the winner, just make sure you guys have the PayPal account and just send me a friend request as well, and then of course share your PayPal email address too. Okay, guys. All right, good luck, everybody. You have to be here to claim your price, okay? So let's go ahead and do this now, guys. Good luck once again, everybody. This is a $30 cash giveaway. It's from me, it's from nobody else. This is all from Stock Tiger, from losing my trades this morning. Good luck, guys. Last piece. Let's go. 91, guys. 91. 91. Oh, Gen 25. Gen 25. I think it's Gen 25. Got it, guys. Holy smokers, no jokers, man. Woo, baby. Gen 25. Are you here? Are you here? Oh, Gen 25 just went for dinner. He's not here anymore. He's not here anymore, guys. He went for dinner. Where's the timer? All right, guys, I've got to get this timer going. Come on, timer. All right, guys, I got my timer running right now as you speak. Oh, I don't think he's here, guys. I don't think he's here. Uh-oh. Gen 25 in trouble. I thought I saw Gen 25 say something a few minutes ago. Guys, we got this 1 minute and 30 seconds. It's up and running right now, guys. And we're getting a pullback in the market. Maybe I get a chance to trade an XFA tomorrow morning. I don't know, we'll see. Man, I can't believe I lost all my XFA accounts, man. Shame on me, Stock Tiger. Well, you've got some payouts from Top Steps, so after getting 4 XFA, after losing 4 XFA, after getting 4 XFA, actually did I get 4? I got after getting 3 XFAs and losing 3 XFAs, I've got how much payout from these guys? I took $3,200 from Top Step this month, and I've only really started to trade them like I think 10 days ago at most. Oh, by the way, is Gen 25 here or not? Gen 25 is not here, guys, and this time is running out. Looks like we have another chance, another stab here, guys, and I've got to get going. I'm kind of running out of time. Legion Trading been in business for about a year. Do you guys like it though? Do you guys think I should trade Legion too? What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. All right, I think Gen 25 is not here, man. Oh dear. Oh dear. This can't be real. Gen 25. I'm sorry, man. It's time to redo this again right now, guys. Good luck, everybody. Is he here? Still no? Still no? All right. I think it's not here. I don't think that 25 is here, guys. All right. You're going to have to read it again. Good luck, everybody. Time is up. 108, guys. 108. 108. Guys, we have Pulley. Pulley. I think Pulley already got. I thought Pulley was a winner yesterday. Or a few days ago. I can't remember exactly. I thought Pulley won. No? I thought Pulley was a winner, I think a few days ago, if I'm not wrong. Maybe I could be wrong. I don't know. Oh, this is the third time? Really? Pulley's the third time winner of this contest, guys. Holy. Wow. Pulley, congrats, man. Hey, Pulley, I'm going to take care of your claim a little bit later because I got to get going. So just make sure you send me a DM with your PayPal account, your PayPal email address, and I'll take care of your $30 cash giveaway. But that's awesome, man. 3 times in a row. I can't believe that, guys. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Yeah, I remember that name, Pulley. Holy, man. That's a pretty incredible. I don't know how you do that, but I mean, that's pretty super duper. And yeah, it's a lot of fun here. 1 second, guys. Are we getting a pullback here? All right, guys, I've got to get going. I'm a little late. I've got to get some personal stuff taken care of, so I've got to get going. I'm sorry. I'm going to have to leave a little early today. I will be back tomorrow, though, in the afternoon. I hope everybody have a great rest of the day. Love you guys. Thank you, all of you, for being here every day during the Asian market. It's incredible. I had a bad morning, a decent afternoon, but overall, a bad day. But we'll make it up. We'll make it up. I'm going to think about how to make a stronger comeback here in the next few days. Try to end October month strong, and November and December even more exciting, guys. So anyways, thank you so much, all of you. Thank you so much, everybody. Every day is learning, right? So we'll see you guys back tomorrow afternoon, guys. 6 p.m. Eastern time, back again. Have a great rest of the day. God bless everybody. Thank you so much once again. Take care and peace. Goodbye.